I purchased the ZCWA robot vacuum because I'm always looking for ways to automate cleaning my home. This Roomba robot vacuum is awesome. Not only does it come with an automatic self-charging station, but there is also an app included where you can set it up so that it will automatically go vacuum your home. I love being able to just click a button and the robot starts vacuuming. It works really great on both hardwood floors and through carpeting. I use it for both in my home. It's also really great because as you keep on using this robot vacuum, it will learn the features and where everything is in your home. It really does not collide with your furniture or with anything else. I really love that. And it very easily crosses over obstacles. So going from the carpet to the hardwood floor and vice versa. It's also super easy to clean. You just simply lift up the top of it, remove this little cage that keeps all of the dirt and grime in there, and then it's really easy to just go ahead and open, toss in the garbage can, and then replace it back into the robot vacuum. I would highly recommend this robot vacuum for anyone who is looking for an easy solution to make sure that your floors are always cleaned. I love how great this works. It's super easy to use, even easier to clean out, and it lasts for as long as I ever needed to in order to get the job done. Highly recommend this ZCWA robot vacuum.